All right, welcome everybody. Dan here from Funded Trader Academy. We're going to take a look at today or this week's trade of the week. This is from July 22nd, 2026. And we're going to look at this long trade, this 21-point long trade here today, where we risked about four and a half, call it 5 points, all the way down to this swing low down here, where we ran all the way up to the initial balance high. So let's walk through this trade here. Before we do that, we're going to go through some of the particulars in the pre-market setup that we were looking at prior to the market session. So we had our bullish and our bearish lines set up here. We had our targets set up for the day in terms of some expansion that could potentially take place coming off of a little bit of earlier in the week, early chop. So as we came into today, price in the overnight market, we had a little slight decline here. We had our Asian session up here. London session dipped a little bit lower right into this 4-hour fair value gap down here. Price dipped even lower just before the market opened. And then we bounced right from that point up through here. We created some bullish inertia to the upside. Okay. So once the market ripped and opened, we created this bullish inertia to the upside. Let's go take a look at the smaller time frames. This is down to a 1-minute chart. Okay, so we have a few levels here that we were looking at. This London session high, we're looking at this Asian session high and prior day high. Okay, so off the open, we had a parabolic situation off the open where price ripped, chopped a little bit for about, I would say, 10 minutes or so. Chopped and then drifted all the way up here and took out that prior day high, setting a new level here, which is our initial balance high. Okay, off of this failure up here, price dipped. In the wake of this move up here, we created a new imbalance, this 15-minute imbalance right through here, where price dipped, stalled out, trapped up some late sellers into the game here, down here, and then rebounced back to the upside, creating this nice surge back through here. We had our nice entry model down here. We had a nice surge here. Buyers took over and started to just ramp price nicely right to this target right here. Okay, just to kind of recap here. So as we started our day, we framed out our areas of interest, our imbalances of interest, our levels of interest, and we set some targets. And then we just allowed price to navigate what we were going to do throughout the course of the day, or what the market wanted to do. We let the market show us its hand first, and then we act. Okay, we'll go back through this one more time. We had an initial surge off the open. Nothing to do here. I can't grab this without, it's very difficult to grab these moves off the open, these parabolic moves, these one direction sided moves like this off the open. At least in my style of trading, this is a very difficult thing to do. So I don't do it. I just let this move go. It was a parabolic move. It just ran, and we ended up stalling out, taking out prior day high, and then price pulling back right into a newly created intra-session imbalance, where we finally get a nice decent entry model right through here, where price comes down, sellers are pushing price down, they stall out, they trap up some late retailers, and then off to the races. It goes back to the bullish upside. All right. That's going to do it for this week's session. We'll check you out over on the next video. Thanks, guys.
Hey everyone, it's Dale here. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like to trade alongside me and our team of prop firm funded traders every day, then click the link below the video and hop aboard. We are looking forward to trading with you.